Hello, Dr. Kemp here. I am a doc. I'm rebuilding this crossover, vintage laser crossover. Of course, the crossover came to me, looked like this. It had one of the gray old vintage capacitors on it. So I've already removed that, of course, by clipping the black wire, the red wire, and the white wire from it, removing those and using it with this. Now I'm using these. What are these things? The little brackets.
Bracket, I'll call that bracket.
Yeah, little brackets. There's another name for them. But anyway, yeah, posts. Yes, there's another name for these things. But anyway, these little brackets, and I'll show you how I've already installed this one on this side, and I would do the same thing. Set it right there on that hole. I've already had to drill the little holes in there. And then I use the number six machine screw with the nut. They all come in a packet and washer. Here they are right here. You can buy these at Walmart. The number 6, 32 by 1/2 inch. I'm gonna let my wife hold the camera and I'll do one here for you. Here you go. Okay. And you turn it like this so that it'll be closer inside, and you'll see why in a moment. That's important. As opposed to turning it around like this is further. It makes...
You have to get your hands out the way.
Well,
okay.
It'll be further away. That's what I'm trying to show. These two will be further away from each other than if it turned around like this. This is how you want it. You want it closer together like this. Maybe an inch from the main holes. From the main holes there. And stick that screw through there. Do that like that. A little washer on there. And screw it on. I like stuff straight. Okay. It's straight, it's tight, and it's right. Now what I would do, the long one here goes to the black. So I put the long one right through that hole. I'll just walk you through how to set it up. Then I'll come back and I'll solder all this. So the long one goes through this here. And then I kind of set them like this because I'm gonna take this end and I'm gonna bend it. And what I want is that's why I have this, for my glasses. I need my glasses. Or I could use this thing here, same thing. Is this interfering with you when I'm doing this?
Mm-mm.
So I can bring that over. Look at it. And turn it. What the song says, he turned it all around for my good. He turned it. Who is that? Who is that? Who is it? He turned it around for my good. He turned it just like I knew he would. He turned it. You know who that is. You know that's Ricky Dillard.
I couldn't think of his name.
That's Ricky Dillard. Ricky Dillard. Ricky Dillard said he turned it. So, hey, that's in there already. See, that one's in there. You put it in the middle, in the center. All right, because the white wire is going to go there. See, the white wire is going to go in the center. Want to leave a little edge there. And I'm going to show you why. Want to leave a little space in that center because the big boy has to go over there too. So I put them under the. Let me see. I should have done this. Uh-oh. Kind of messed it up a little bit. I want to put that underneath there. All right. I don't like my wires bent. Okay. Now we're back. Back on track. Somebody say back on track. Back on track. All right. So I wanted it underneath. That's what I wanted. Okay. So I'm putting this underneath. All right. That's what I wanted underneath. Now, you don't need a whole lot right here. You just need enough to solder that. But you're going to need enough for this to go here. We're going to take this and you're going to do another Ricky Dillard. What's that? He did what?
Turned it.
He turned it. So you're going to turn it right there. Put that in there. And then you're going to need, so then you're going to do that. And then you can turn that. So now they're in there. See? So they're set now. See, that's there. And then the white wire is common to both of these. That just needs to be soldered. Now I'll take this red wire. It'll go here. This will be soldered to this lug. That's what it's called. This is called 5 lug.
Okay.
5 lug bracket or something like that. And then I'll take this one. I know your phone is going off. I'll let you go get it. And this will go inside here. Miss Gina's phone is ringing. So I gotta let her go so she can go answer her phone. But that'll go in there like that. And then I'll clip the end of that off. But make that all neat. But that's how you set the crossover capacitors in this. And this crossover, once I get it soldered, it'll be ready to be installed back into the customer's, the client's Leslie. That's it. Okay, so that's a Leslie crossover recap job. That's how I do it. Till the next video. Thank you, Sister Gina, for videoing this for me. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.